Hi, Ngo.
Hello.
Hello. Good
Mm.
evening. Good evening. Good
Yeah,
evening. And welcome again to our class. Hello. How are you today?
I'm good.
Wow, that's very good to know. Are you in Hong Kong today or no?
Huh?
Are you in Hong Kong? Am I right? Is it in Hong Kong?
No,
Oh, Singapore.
I'm in Vietnam.
You are in Vietnam right now. But yesterday, are you in Singapore?
Yes.
Oh, really? Wow. How was your vacation?
Mm.
Oh, that's your new toy?
Yes.
Is it your
The
new
new car
new
in the Singapore.
Oh,
I need.
really? It's so
Yeah.
cute. Wow. What is the name of your toy? What's the name of your toy? Does
Hot
he have
noodle. Hot noodle. Hot
Hakyu
noodle.
Hakyudong? Huh? What is the name?
Hot noodle.
How do you spell that? How
Hot noodle.
how do you spell his name? Is it a boy or is it a girl?
It's a monster.
Ah,
And
it's a it's a green monster. How do you spell her name or his name? The monster's name?
hot noodle.
How do you spell? Can you write it on the screen?
Huh?
Can you write the name of the monster?
Mm,
Can you
right.
write like this? Write in this
Okay.
one.
Wait.
Okay, sure.
Mm.
Hmm. Hot hot noodle. Hot noodle.
Mm.
Oh. Why? Why did you name the monster as hot noodle?
Eh.
Because you like noodles?
Universal.
Ah, you
Yay! Boy! Yay!
minions. Oh, I have that, but I have a small one.
Universal. Yeah.
Uni
Universal.
Wow, you go to Universal Studio?
Yes.
Wow. Is it fun?
He is a universal. The
Ah, he,
monster is a
the
universal.
the monster is in from Universal.
Yes.
Wow. Is it fun?
Yes.
Yes. Did you ride
It's a
some
pops. It's a pop.
it's Bob. Oh, I like Bob. That's he is my favorite. He's my favorite in Minions, Bob. The small. Yeah. So cute. Wow. That's so nice. Okay. So now are you ready um for our what do you call this? Are you ready for our reading? So we will continue our story about Lottie. So are you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
What?
So last time, so we talked about Lottie. So she rides the train and goes to the grand opening. So this is the grand opening. So there is a celebration, there is a music. So it is outside the theater. Uh,
Theater.
theater, very good. So now let's take a look. What happened next? Okay, so let's read this one. What happened?
Lottie was surprised to
Not.
see Chester
Mm-hmm.
walking to the front, pulling an elegant parade with the mayor inside.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's a Shipson chop, a Dr. Lottie.
Okay, very good. So again, let's read some words that you had read in this story or in this part of the story. Let's first read this one. This one. Can you read this one?
Ship, 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 shippers.
Okay, again, let's read it as surprise.
Surprise,
Very,
surprise,
yes, very good.
surprise.
Good job. Next, this one. How do you read this word?
Elegant,
Okay, let's say elegant.
elegant.
Very good. Next is
Elegant, elegant, elegant.
next one.
Korea,
Okay,
Korea,
let's
Korea,
say
Korea.
carriage. Carriage.
Carriage,
Carriage.
carriage,
Okay, next. This one. How do you read this one?
street, street shop,
Okay, let's say special.
special,
Very good. Special. Again, special.
special,
Special.
special,
Next is thought.
box,
Thought.
box,
Okay, again, let's read this word again. This one. How do you read this word? How do you read this one? Where is the square? This one.
sup, sup,
Again, surprised.
surprise,
Okay, again, surprised.
surprise,
Okay, how do you read this one again?
surprise,
Next, how about this one?
elegant,
Again?
elegant,
Okay, let's say elegant.
elegant,
Elegant.
elegant,
Okay, very good. So again, let's read the first word. What's
surprise,
this?
surprise,
Surprised.
surprise,
Okay, very good. Perfect. How about this?
elegant,
Elegant. Very good. How about this?
Korea,
Huh?
Korea,
Okay, let's say carriage. Carriage.
courage,
Carriage.
courage, courage,
Mm-hmm. Again, let's go back to the first word. What is
huh?
this? How do we read this one?
Surprise,
Surprise. Next is
elegant,
again
elegant,
elegant. Not
elegant,
next is what's this?
Korea, Korean,
Not Korean. Carriage. Carriage.
courage,
Again, let's say carriage. Carriage. Let's say carriage.
courage,
Okay, how do you read this one again?
courage,
Okay, let's start with our first word. So not until you correct all of the words. So let's read the first word. Oh,
surprise,
next,
elegant,
elegant,
elegant, car,
carriage.
courage,
Okay, next is
scripture,
Okay. Let's say special.
Special.
Special job.
Special.
Okay, again, let's say special.
Special.
Okay, again, let's start with this one. What's this?
This is
How do we read this?
right.
Surprise. Very good. Next. Next is, what is this one?
Elegant.
Huh?
Elegant.
Okay, again, let's say elegant.
Elegant.
Okay, very good. Again, let's start with this one. This one. What's this? What's this? What's this? Look, look, what is this? What's
Um.
this one?
Surprise.
Okay, very good. Next is
Elegant.
elegant. Very good. Next is
Courage.
very good. Next is
Special.
special. Next is
Cow.
thought, not thought. Thought,
Hot.
thought.
Hot.
Okay, again, let's read the whole sentence. Lottie
Lucky.
was surprised.
Is Lesson Brown.
Huh? Again, this one, Lottie. Let's read.
Lucky was surprised.
Surprised.
Surprise.
Okay, again. Read this one. Let's read the whole sentence again.
Right. So see Chester walking to the front, pulling an elegant carriage
Mhm.
with the mayor inside. Wow, this is a special shop.
Thought.
Top Lottie.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next, let's read the next part of the story. Next is Mayor.
Your Whipple Wobble
Mhm.
caught the ribbon with a hook pa- pa- pair of ski shorts and the ground carried
Okay, again, let's read these words. Okay, read this one. Let's start with this. Can you read this one?
cut
Okay, again, let's say cut.
cut
Okay, very good. How about this one?
hug
Let's say huge, not hug. Huge.
huge huge huge
Okay, next is what's this? Okay, wait, let me just rephrase it.
sticker
Okay, again, let's say scissors.
scissors
Okay, again, how do you read this one?
scissors
Very good. Okay, let's start again with this. How about this one?
yeah
What is this
cut
word?
cut
Very good. Good job. Next.
Hug.
Is it hug?
Yeah.
Very good. Huge. Let's see again. Huge.
Huge.
Okay. Next is
Thick shirt.
not skit shirts. Let's see. Scissors. Scissors. Again, let's say scissors.
Caesar.
Scissors.
Caesar.
Okay. Again, scissors.
Caesar.
Okay. Next. How about this one?
Pound.
Okay. Let's say crowd.
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 Very good. Crowd.
Crowd.
Okay. Next. How do you read this one? How do you read?
Theory.
Okay. We read it as cheered. Cheered.
Cheered.
Okay.
Cheered.
Very good. Cheered.
Cheered.
Okay. Next is, let's start with the first one. First word. What's this word? What's this word in the box? Hello. What's this word?
Hug.
Okay. Next is, how about this one?
Huh?
What's that?
Hug. Watch.
Okay, again, huge, not hodge. Huge, huge.
Huge.
Okay, very
Huge.
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 Okay, very good. So again, let's start with the first word again so that you will be able to practice. Again, what is this?
Huh? 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 Huh?
Okay, next.
Huge.
Very good. Next is this one, this one.
Teardrops.
Okay, again, scissors.
Caesar.
Okay, next. What's
Round.
very good? Crowd. Next is
Che- che- Cheater.
not chidra. Cheered. Cheered.
Cheered.
Okay, very good. So let's start again. How do you read this one?
Hot.
Cut. Very good. Next is,
Hot.
is it Hudge? Hudge or huge?
Huge.
Very good. It's huge. Again. So let's start again with this first one.
Huge.
This is huge.
A cut. Cut.
Cut. Okay, next is,
Hot.
huh? This one?
Mm,
What's this?
mm.
Hmm. Okay, later the drawing. How do you read this one?
Oh, what?
Let's say again, huge.
Huge.
Okay, let's start with later you will draw because you are not able to focus. So let's start again. What's
Yeah.
this? What's this? What's this? Ngok.
Mm.
What's this?
Hot.
Okay, cut.
Hot.
Next is
Huge.
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 Very good. Next is
Scissors.
that's sicker. Scissors.
Season.
Very good. Again, so let's start again with the first one. Not until you correct all of the words. So again, how do you read this one?
Buddha.
Okay, katta. Next is
Yacht.
huge, not huge. Huge.
Huge.
Okay, next is
Scissors.
again, let's say Caesars.
Caesar.
Very good. Next is
Ground.
crowd, not crown. Crowd.
Crowded.
Next is
Kinder.
not cheered. 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 Cheered.
Cheer. Cheer. Cheer.
Okay, again. So let's start again. So let's practice and review.
Cut.
Okay. Next.
Yacht.
Okay, huge, not huge. Huge.
Huge.
Next is wait, cannot be moved. This one.
Boxer.
Scissors, not scissors. Scissors.
Caesar.
Scissors.
Caesar.
Okay, let's start again with this word. Again, what is this?
Cut.
Very good. Nice. Next.
Huge.
Huge. Okay, next.
Six star.
Not six source.
Caesar.
Scissors. Very good. Perfect. Next is
Crowd.
proud.
Crowd.
Okay, next.
Cheer. Praise.
Cheered.
Cheered.
Again. How do you read that one?
Cheered.
Okay, very good. Let's start again so that you can practice. This one is
Cut.
cut. Okay, very good. Next,
Yacht.
huge or huge?
Yacht.
Huge.
Huge. Huge.
Okay, very good, very good. Next is
Six star.
not six source, scissors. Not six source, scissors, scissors.
Caesar.
Very good. Can you say it 3 times? Scissors, scissors, scissors.
Caesar. Caesar. Caesar.
Very good. Good job. Next.
Ground.
Very good. Crowd. Good job. And for the last word is
Cheered.
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 Okay, again, cheered.
Cheered.
Okay, let's start again. So one last review.
Cut.
Okay, very good. Next.
The ribbon. Oh, no, 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 no.
It's okay, that's correct. This one. How about this one?
Yacht.
Okay, so that's so nice. Next.
Caesar.
Very good. Good job. Next is?
Ground.
Okay, next.
Cheered.
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 Okay, very good. So good job. So now let's try to read all of the sentence. Mayor Wibble Wobble Okay, let's read. Let's read this part of the story. Let's Mayor.
Mayor Whipple Wobble cut the ribbon with a huge pair of scissors,
Okay, very
and
good.
the ground cheered.
Yay, very good. So good job. Great job, great job. So I will open the pen now. So you can draw because you did a great job. Okay, so next, let's proceed to the next part of the story. So very good. Next,
Finish.
this one. It's
Okay.
close to finishing.
Once everyone was inside the music box, ballerinas
Very good.
took to the
Stage. Okay,
stage,
very good.
drilling and lipping, falling, falling.
Okay, so again, let's read this word. so, so very good. So you are improving. So let's start with this one.
Talk,
Okay, perfect. Very good. How about this one?
trying,
Okay, one more time. Let's see. Twirling. Twirling.
drilling,
Very good. Next is,
gracefully,
okay, let's see. Gracefully.
gracefully.
Okay, very good. So again, let's read this
What
one.
time? Talk, trying,
Twirling.
twirling,
Okay, again.
twirling,
Next,
gracefully,
gracefully.
gracefully,
Okay, again, this one.
trailing,
Twirling.
trailing,
Okay, again, twirling.
trailing,
Next is,
gracefully.
okay, very good. So nice. Again, let's read the whole sentence. Once,
Once everyone was inside the music box, ballerinas took to the stage, trailing
very good.
and lapping gracefully,
Gracefully, again, gracefully.
gracefully.
Okay, very good. So good job, Ngok. Okay, so let's have a quick summary of this part of the story. So Lottie, so in this story, in this part of the story, Lottie saw Chester in the grand opening, so in the theater. So he saw or she saw Chester walking to the front and carrying or pulling an elegant carriage. So he is the courage. The mayor is riding the courage that Chester is pulling. Okay, so the mayor, what is the name of the mayor, Ngok? The name of the mayor is, what is the name of the mayor? Wibble
Whipple,
Wobble.
wobble,
Okay,
wobble, wobble.
the name of the mayor is Wibble Wobble. Okay, so the mayor cut the ribbon with a huge pair of scissors, and the ballerinas inside the theater dance. Okay, so that is the part of our story. So good job, Ngok. So I can see that um, you can do reading, especially when it is being repeated practice. So very good. So next time, so we will still have this reading activity and see you again on Friday. So goodbye and thank you so much. Thank you and goodbye, Ngok. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank
Good
you.
night.